add video 6, and there's a massive frog. It's a female. There you go. Ah, look at her. Look at her. Ah, look at her. She's frightened. She's all frightened, she is. She's all frightened. She's all frightened. Oh, I don't know what to do with it. Look at the size of her. Isn't she absolutely beautiful? I know I'm supposed to be doing an archaeological video. This is video 6. Don't you look scared? Don't you look scared? Oh, look at you. Aren't you beautiful? Aren't you beautiful? Are you going to the pond? You're going to the pond. Oh. Oh, she thinks I'm going to hurt her. Anyway, I need to put her back. I need to put her somewhere safe. Right, so there you go. So there's people around, so I can hear them. So need to put you safe, don't I? Yeah. Anyways, KARL-JAMES LANGFORD supposed to be doing an archaeological video, but worth video 6. Okay, so that links in with the frog spawn that I've seen over there. And it's just really confusing stuff here today. So go on in, lovely. Not going to hurt you. Go on. Mwah! Go on. Bye bye.